You're watching Roam Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more travel tech reviews. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using GlocalMe eSIM. In this video, I'm diving into my experience with GlocalMe's eSIM service. I'll be sharing my personal thoughts and observations, so you can get a better understanding of whether it's the right fit for you. You can find links to everything I discuss in the description below. Let's jump right in. GlocalMe is a company known for its adaptable eSIM solutions, catering to frequent travelers, digital nomads, and anyone seeking seamless global connectivity without the headaches. A key differentiator for GlocalMe is its pay-as-you-go model, coupled with the availability of unlimited data plans for specific regions. This gives you granular control over your data spending. Setting up the eSIM was a breeze. After purchase, activation was quick and easy through the GlocalMe app, which boasts an intuitive and well-designed user interface. With support for over 140 countries, GlocalMe is perfect for globetrotters who frequently hop between destinations. It's a lifesaver if you prefer not to constantly swap physical SIM cards or deal with the complexities of local carriers. The app also offers real-time data monitoring, and I really appreciated the transparent tracking of my data usage, with no hidden fees or surprises. A major plus is the ability to effortlessly switch between data plans or top up your balance as needed. This flexibility makes it suitable for both short getaways and extended stays abroad. However, it's important to remember that GlocalMe's eSIM data speeds can fluctuate depending on your location, as they partner with local networks. In my experience, I generally enjoyed reliable 4G coverage in most urban areas, although speeds did occasionally dip in more rural or remote locations. GlocalMe is also recognized for its excellent customer support. They offer 24/7 assistance, which I personally tested. The response time was impressively fast, and the support agents were genuinely helpful. If you're a frequent traveler, whether for business or pleasure, and you require flexible internet access without being locked into a long-term contract, GlocalMe's eSIM presents a compelling option. It's especially beneficial if you're looking for a global plan that seamlessly covers a multitude of countries. To summarize, GlocalMe eSIM offers the convenience of hassle-free connectivity, decent coverage in a vast number of countries, and flexible pricing options, although speeds can be variable depending on where you are. In my own usage, I found it to be a reliable and straightforward solution for staying connected on the go. If you're intrigued, be sure to check out the links in the description to learn more or to get started with GlocalMe.